We ain't gonna forget to pierce your ears because I got the earrings right by me. I got the earrings right by me, girl. Alright, I gotta cut her lashes too. Say hi, hey. Say hey. Say hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, girl. Don't forget her earrings. Okay. Don't forget her earrings. Okay. The TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit the like button one at a time. I'm not going to forget. Y'all like earrings on the Reborns? What about the Reborn baby boys? Y'all like earrings on them? Ronnie has an earring. Anisha, wanted an earring on him. I'm gonna say I roots their eyelashes on, so my TT roots them on. Yes, she does. That's what we doing now. We're just cutting the eyelashes. Yeah. Ah, where you going? Where you going, girl? Yeah, look at her. And when they fall, they gonna be so pretty. Alright, now I gotta cut her eyebrows. Alrighty, we got her eyebrows done. And let's pierce your ears. There's a little frog. I gotta get some more earrings, y'all. We gotta get some more earrings. Yes, we do. Okay, so she's gonna put these little froggies on. Let me show y'all. Where you going? She's like, I'm out of here. So we're gonna put these little frogs, you know, in her ear. They're so cute. Okay, there go one. There go one, DD. There go two. Alright, so she's got the little froggy earrings. Alright. Now, time to put you. Oh, pacifier. She's kind of got like an open mouth. So, we're going to see. But she kind of, I don't know. We're going to see if it's big enough. I like this pacifier set. It comes with a little, what you call it? That holds the pacifier clip. I hope I got something purple for you to put on. That'd be cute. I hope you can, we can. Let me see how your mouth is. Because she's got like a kind of an open mouth. But not for real. So, I'm hoping I can make a modified one for her. And a modified one, I just cut the nipple until basically it fits in there. But some of them you can get them in, some of them you can't. And it's just for photo props. It's not nothing that's gonna like stay in their mouth. So there she goes. Do that look cute on her? It does. It does. Alright, so we got her. Passy. Alright, girl, let's get you put together. You need a sippy cup. You need a sippy cup, girl. Mm-hmm. That's what you need. A sippy cup. A sippy cup. Alrighty, pacifier check. Move this stuff out the way. Alright, I'm gonna flip this over. Girl, will you hold your head still? She like, no, TT. Alright. She has 3/4 arms. You good, big sister? I good, TT. Okay. Where is the bodies for the 3/4 arm? Alright, so 3/4 arms, 4 legs. Which one is this one? That's 2. This is full arms. And this one's too big. That one's too big. Okay, that's for the 3/4 arms, full legs. There we go, sunshine. There we go, sunshine. Don't you throw them zip ties away, girl. I know, right? We can't be doing that, y'all. We can't be throwing the zip ties away. Them come in handy. They come in handy, yes they do. Alright. Alright, so she's going to put on this little cute little shirt. Look at it. It says smile. It says smile. And then her little thingies for her feet. The little barefoot sandals. Okay. Alrighty. You know what? Switch. Switch. Alright, sorry. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, where's the front? This is the back. Oh, that's what I was doing. Did I get you? Yeah. Did we get you through there? Did we get you through there? Okay. Yes, you did, TT. Yes, you did. Alrighty, y'all. Let's see. This is her sister. And they are going to be leaving the nursery together. Yeah, this baby got some long legs. Say, yes, I do, TT. You do. Mm-hmm. Y'all want me to vlog taking them to the post office? Comment below and let me see if that's something you guys would like to see. Comment below and let me see if there's something that you would like to see. Because usually I have my husband take them. And yeah, but if that's something you guys would like to see, let your DT know. I want to make y'all happy, you know what I'm saying? Alright, hold on, y'all. If it's something that I can do to make y'all happy, I sure will try. Alrighty. No. Alright. Her weight stock for her body. Okay. We almost done. We almost done. We are almost done. What y'all know about that being almost done? And then I just gotta comb their hair. She's dressed. I just gotta comb her hair, comb her sister hair, take a couple of pictures, and get them packed. Y'all know y'all TT hot. Y'all know your TT hot. That's okay. I'm getting it done. Mm-hmm. Don't forget to get y'all mask out my shop, y'all. Go get your mask. Teesprings, Babies and Kids Unlimited. And you can choose different colors. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I don't even know if that was that 2 or 3. I don't know. It won't hurt. You just be a little. You'll be a little heavy. It's okay. I know I repeat this, but that's okay. Like I say, every artist is different. How you put your weight in is totally up to you. We are all different and we all reborn different. And I repeat myself only because we might have some new woo family people stepping up in the building. So we gotta let them know what's going on over here. You did right. That's right, sunshine. And this is polyfill. Gotta let them know. Let them know, let them know. Hey, girl. Hi, TT. You almost had me opening up another box, girl. We made it. I didn't have to open up another box yet. I thought I was going to have to. Y'all. Alright, let's get your other arm. Alright. Get this shirt on. Get ready to do this hair, y'all. Did I get you a diaper? I had a diaper. Ooh. And this is zero. You might need a 3 to 6 month shirt, girl. We about to see. Let your trunk itself. Little chunk. Alright. What I do with the diapers? Y'all, this is what happens when you're not organized. It's right behind your TT, so she's gonna put on this little flower diaper. And then we just gotta comb hair and pack. Okay. Alright, girl. The eyes are chunky one. Yes, you are. Move that out the way. We'll move that out the way. Alright, let's put your little cute, did that say smile or shine? We about to see, girl. We about to see. Okay. It says smile. Smile! Yeah. Now this is a 0 to 3 months. Is you gonna be able to get in this? Yeah, this is a 0 to 3 months. Cause your body a little chunk. Yes, I'm gonna be able to get into TT. Okay, I just wanna make sure. I wanna make sure, girl. And you know, they just putting on something simple. Oh, girl. Yeah. She's probably gonna do. Yeah, this is my first time putting this particular kit together. I might say she's a chunky one, and this fitting her. This 0 to 3's fitting her to the T. Okay? Y'all see that, right? Chunky self. Fitting her to the T, baby. Alright, let's put your head on. You ready? Alrighty. Oh, I forgot to sing It's Your Special Day to your sister. We'll sing it to her before we do her head. I forgot. I'm sorry. Okay. You good? Making sure that head don't come off. Alrighty. I sure forgot. I'm sorry, princess. I got you. I'm going to sing it to you. Alrighty, y'all. Ah. Woo! Chomp, chomp. What, TT? Yeah, she's chunky, y'all. Chunky mama. Y'all see all this chunkiness? She is the Lillian kit. You know I gotta do you again. Little chunky self. Yes, you is. Alrighty. Come on. It's your special day. Hey, 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 hey. It's your special day. Oh, 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 oh. It's your special day. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome, Lillian. Yay! Oh, oh, oh. TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo 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 baby family. Oh, this is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, oh. Unlimited fun. Oh, Reborn babies. Mukbang, yeah. Vlog maybe. I'm just throwing some stuff in.